Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh my gosh, guys. What a beautiful fish. Holy crap. 7.34. 4-pounder right there. I'll see that. This one's gonna be a giant someday the way it's built. Look at that sucker. EXP. Tell me when I come to the big leagues, guys, you ain't scared. Tell me. Please, 7. Beautiful fish. Look at that one, guys. I'm having an epic day right now. If you're a real estate agent, I'll say it again. If you like to fish and want to join EXP Realty, hit me up. Founder of the Wolfpack Organization. 2,750 agents worldwide. What? Wolfpack. Let's see if we can go back to back. Seriously, guys, we just got one. That's thick. Please, get the biggest. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Bigger than the last one, guys. Pray for me. This is giant, guys. Oh my gosh, it could be a 7.5 pounder. Water. Holy shit! Only on YouTube. I hope I'm recording. Fuck yeah. This is gonna be close to 7 pounds. Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh my gosh, guys. What a beautiful fish. Holy crap. Fix and half. This may be a 7-pounder. 7.34. 7.38. Look at this fish, guys. 7.34. Unbelievable. Wolfpack, baby. If you're a real estate agent and you like to fish, hit me up. All 50 states globally. There it is. There's a big one too. I got a big one again. Oh my God. That's what I can say. The last one. Look at that, fell out. That's why I jumped in the water. You guys like this crazy dude. It's probably gonna go right at 6. 5.88, 5.99, 5.93. Look at that, guys. 5.95. That's as big as it went up. I just put the 509 back. Been here for 6 minutes like I was doing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is this for real? Guys, this may be an 8-pounder. I mean, the biggest fish of my life, guys. I'll see that. 6.92, 71, 698, 701. This last one. If you're a real estate agent, I'll say it again. If you like to fish and want to join EXP Realty, hit me up. Founder of the Wolfpack Organization. 2,750 agents worldwide. Biggin. Biggin. Oh, that's a giant fish. Alright, that's a 4-pounder right there. I'll see that. This one's gonna be a giant someday the way it's built. Look at this, guys. Probably could go close to 5 pounds. The hook is right there. Look at that sucker. EXP. Just kidding. But if you want to join my team, you like to fish, let's put this one on the scale. Root for a 6, guys. It's not as bad as I thought. It's supposed to 4.78. See, it's a little thinned out. It spawned. This would have been a 5.5 just a few weeks ago. We'll let her go. All right, guys. Putting this 4.18. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Tell me when I come to the big leagues, guys, you ain't scared. Tell me. Please, 7. Nope. Says 6'4", 6'41". Look at that fish, guys. Unbelievable. If you're a real estate agent globally, and you want to join EXP Realty, founder of the Wolfpack Organization, hit me up. We'll go fishing anywhere you want. Almost 7 pounds. This is the best I can do. I know I'm a little bit crazy, but if I didn't get out in the water that far, I couldn't have caught this fish. It's just under 6.5 pounds. Got it good. Jump for it. Tired. Back 6-pounders. What? Wolfpack. Oh! You like that, guys? What a freaking 4.5 pounder. 4.16, 4.14, 4.2. Beautiful fish. Look at that, guys. I'm having an epic day right now.
Hey there everyone, I'm hoping you're having a blast watching this video because I sure had a good time making it. So here's the deal. We had a bit of a snafu with the microphone and it didn't quite catch a pretty cool conversation I had earlier. Bit of a bummer, but don't sweat it. I'm here to fill you in, so here's how it went down. I'm out there wrestling with some huge fish, turning quite a few heads. Then this group of kids wander over, totally hooked by the action. Now, one of these youngsters casually drops that they're thinking about getting into real estate. Cool, right? So I took a minute from my fish wrangling and decided to dish out some life advice.